Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your TP-Link TL-WR1043ND router is acting slow, not connecting properly, or you've forgotten the Wi-Fi password, a reset can quickly solve many of these issues. Many users hesitate to reset their router because they think it's complicated or risky, but in reality, it's a simple process that restores everything back to default settings. This helps clear bugs, remove incorrect configurations, and fix connection problems. The best thing is that once you follow the right steps, you can reset your router in just a minute and set it up fresh again. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the router is powered on. Step 2. Locate the reset button. Step 3. Use a pin or paperclip to press and hold the reset button. Step 4. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until lights blink. Step 5. Release the button and wait for the router to restart automatically. Step 6. Reconnect and set up your Wi-Fi network again.